Harley Stereo Upgrade Kit is your source for high-quality auto entertainment. The size, storage, and design of the Harley Dina Stereo inline amplifier will fit in any of today's popular models. The Harley in-dash CD is equipped with a USB port which enables you to connect via Bluetooth or auxiliary jack. You can also play your music through the audio jack on the front console control panel. However, we are analyzed the 5 most popular Harley Stereo for you. So let's start. Number 1. The Aquatic Audio WR102FAV MP5 is the new standard for aftermarket Harley Davidson radios. The speakers and subwoofer are placed on top of the dashboard in a center location rather than the side or on the bottom. This design allows you to place your speakers in any location that fits your preference, as well as make room for other accessories on top. The stereo system also features plug-and-play capability, which means that all you need to do is to remove your original factory Harley Davidson radio and replace it with this unit. You won't even need to install a harness into the bike because everything you need is included in the box. The stereo system also features a 4.3 inches TFT color screen, which is the largest display ever used on aftermarket Harley Davidson radios. The screen provides you with all of the information that you need, and it makes it easier for you to see in direct sunlight as well as at night. The stereo system also has a text display, which means that you can customize the look of your screen. You're able to choose from multiple different fonts and colors so that it suits your needs. Number 2. The Rockford Fosgate PMX-HD9813 is a direct replacement digital media receiver for select 1998 to 2013 Harley Davidson motorcycles that give you access to Bluetooth streaming, Pandora controls, USB connectivity, and is satellite radio ready. The PMX-HD9813 offers an ultra-bright 3 inches full-color TFT display with day, night modes, and oversized buttons for easy control, even when wearing gloves. This unit features weatherproofing technologies to protect it from the elements and includes a USB input with 1.5A USB charging connection. Additional features include digital AM, FM tuner, USB input with 1.5A USB charging, aux input, 4-volt preamp outputs, 7-band graphic EQ plus PEQ, independent subwoofer level control, and more. This Rockford Fosgate has a front, rear, and subwoofer preamplifiers for exceptional sound quality with high power output. It also features an advanced DSP that offers various surround modes including super wide stereo, which allows for a wider sound stage than conventional stereo systems. It's a great stereo system for anyone who loves to listen to music. Number 3. The new Sony Xavia X7000 stereo is the perfect companion for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, streaming your music and movies in high resolution. It comes with a highly sensitive touchscreen and supports dual HDMI output. This receiver will bring the smartphone experience to your car. Simply use CarPlay with a connected iPhone and enjoy access to Siri, Maps, and other critical smartphone features like navigation and phone calls without touching your phone. With this Sony Android media receiver, you can connect your smartphone and USB device at the same time. Dual USB ports let you connect a smartphone and USB device simultaneously, while the 4 Kelvin UHD upscaling ensures stunning picture quality. The Sony CarPlay Android media receiver will create virtual speakers on your dashboard with the dynamic stage organizer. The 3-year warranty keeps everything covered if you have a problem. It has 3 pre-outs and 5V voltages each, and includes weatherproofing, sealed buttons, and a unique design for Harley Davidson motorcycles. It's a great receiver if you have a Harley Davidson motorcycle. It has an easy-to-use interface and it comes with a 3-year warranty. You can connect your phone via Bluetooth or USB, and it also supports CarPlay and Android Auto. Number 4. R315BT is a marine receiver that connects directly to your factory radio to substantially improve audio performance. It supports Bluetooth streaming, aux and USB inputs to connect your handheld devices, and provides a classic CD player when you want refined sound. The included Metra 99-9600- kit includes a rubber trim gasket for moisture resistance and vibration dampening. This marine receiver that connects directly to your factory radio to substantially improve audio performance. It supports Bluetooth streaming, aux and USB inputs to connect your handheld devices, and provides a classic CD player when you want refined sound. This Kenwood stereo has a USB input for connecting your iPod or other USB-compatible device. It includes 2 RCA preamp outputs to allow you to add additional amplifiers and speakers, and its MP3 divided by WMA playback capability allows you to play back music files encoded in either format. This stereo supports audio playback from CD, USB, and auxiliary sources. It provides digital signal processing that improves the quality of your car's sound system, which is especially noticeable when listening to CDs or MP3 files. Number 5. The Jensen HD1BT is the companion to the HD1 motorcycle alarm. The unit comes with a microphone, transmitter, and a mounting bracket for easy installation on your motorcycle. With the HD1BT head unit, you will hear clear quality sound with less distortion than other cheaper brands. You can control your music as well as changing stations through your motorcycle's handlebar controls. This product is compatible with all iPod, iPhone, iPad devices, not just the newer ones. The unit is also compatible with most smartphones and MP3 players. It comes with a wired remote control for easy control from your handlebars. The HD1BT has a built-in antenna which ensures you get clear quality sound, even if you are riding over rough terrain or through heavy traffic. This product uses the latest technology to ensure it is easy to install, use, and maintain. The HD1BT is a great product for any motorcycle or scooter rider who wants to listen to their music while they ride. It comes with all the connectors you need, including an aux cable and wiring harness. I have nothing further to add. I make useful videos every day, so kindly become a channel subscriber. Because of this, I would appreciate it if you did. Read my description if you want to get additional information about the item's price. Please leave a comment if you encounter any difficulties. Keep up with our cutting-edge videos because it will simplify your life considerably.